Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
You're going to take this. Is the sleeves good? Yay! Listen, pay attention, okay? You're going to go like this. You're going to go like this. Okay? You do it. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Like this. Go like this, up and down. Okay? Ready? Slow down. Stay on one side and go up and down. Okay? Look, do this. Hold it really tight there. And put your hand here so you can hold it like this. Like this. Grab this brush and start scrubbing all those cages. What you're going to do is put these here for now. There's too much stuff. Go grab me the dish soap real fast. Don't breathe that in. Stay on this side. By the PV blast this sucker. What I'm gonna be doing is basically PV blasting all the joints and all the screws, just so you know there's no extra corrosion other than what it already is. So there we go. Excuse the mess. About to PV blast this sucker right here as well. That way it turns a little better. I'll let that rest. What up, brother Mark? Just want to give a shout out to you, my man. I appreciate you, brother. You have blessed my family with a nice grill, and I wanted to do my best to make sure that I show you my appreciation by restoring it to its fullest capacity. There's still a couple more things that I got to get for it, like a little bit of, grill paint, so I can finish restoring what needs to be done. But as you can see, I've seasoned the grill inside and out because, it protects the seasoning itself. Aside from the paint that I already restored it with, I seasoned the exterior as well just to clear that paint. I've done this with all my grills, or should I say smokers, in the past, and it's done wonders in preserving it. So, brother, I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. My family had a shit ton of fun restoring it. They were a huge help in it. We grind out all the rust, painted it, seasoned it. I'm getting ready to go inside the shower. So that's it, man. Bless you. Shalom.
If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.